Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be looking at exactly what this button does. Let's get into it. First of all, this button is called your preview button. It only works when taking photos, so in stills mode, not in video mode. Now, if you're going to be taking photos via your eyepiece, this button is going to act as an exposure button. So if you're going to be shooting anything except your widest open aperture, in other words, this is a Canon 85 f1.8 lens. If you're going to be shooting anything except f1.8, it's actually going to give you your exposure value. Now, in the following image, you can see I'm shooting at f7.1. You can see how it's actually showing you the exposure value. If you're going to be shooting while using the rear LCD, as you can see in the following image, and pressing the button, then it's actually going to be giving you the depth of field. So guys, if you'll be shooting via the eyepiece, it's going to act as the exposure value button. If you're going to be shooting while using the rear of the LCD, then it's going to act as your depth of field button. Guys, hope that video was useful. Remember to like and subscribe. And if there's anything specific you'd like us to focus on, please do let us know in the section below.